As far as the range goes, all you're doing really is subtracting the worst case scenario or the lowest value from the highest value. For the basketball player, if we look at this right, their best outcome is 1,459,000. Lowest outcome is 3,000. So that means the range of possibilities, there's a difference of $1,456,000. For the artist, we do the same thing. Take the highest from the lowest. We get this range of possibility, $477,000. And for the accountant, we see that the range of possibilities is quite small. You're going to be within, $16,000 of the best or worst, depending on how you go. If we want to look at what that's like in Excel, what we're doing here is we're using the command, and I have it filled in here. If I click on this, I can see what it is. And it's going to equal the maximum of this data. And I just type in max, parentheses, the data I'm looking for, minus the minimum of this same data. Close the parentheses, and I get my value. I can drag it across again to bring it over to the accountant and the artist, but I have that same or easy way of looking at what is the difference between the best case scenario and the worst case scenario, right? And again, this applies to moods. It applies to, if you get a diagnosis with a terminal illness, as most of us will in our lifetime, right? The thing will be, well, what's the best case scenario? What's the worst case scenario? Some people die in, 6 months. Other people live another 20 years. So that's the idea of trying to figure out where is the future going to fall if I move in this direction. And that's all there is to range.